Hello friends! We are back and today gagawa tayo ng tuna spread. Tuna sandwich spread. So, we have my favorite Century Tuna Hot and Spicy, and then Century Tuna Light Tuna in soya oil. Kinocombine ko siyang dalawa para hindi sobrang anghang, and I think the amount is perfect pag kinombine ko yung dalawa. Then we also have sweet relish, mayonnaise, and then salt and pepper. And that's it. Yan lang ang ingredients natin to make the perfect tuna sandwich spread. Let's go! So yeah, that's how you make the tuna sandwich spread using Century Tuna. And lagi ko siyang pinapartner sa Skyflakes. Isa sa favorite snack ko, ito. Sa Pilipinas pa lang ginagawa ko na siya. Parang sometimes if I don't wanna eat rice, ganyan, nagtutuna na lang ako. Masarap din naman siya sa pandesal or sa tasty, sa mga loaf ng bread or any bread actually. But for some reason, pag Skyflakes saka tuna, panalo. Sarap. Yan lang guys. Bye!